Chuno chick and the cat. Chuno the chick was peeping away, jumping and hopping, enjoying the day. Along came a cat with a sneaky grin, tiptoeing softly, quiet as the wind.
Meow, said the cat, I'll play with you.
Chuno just giggled, catch me if you do. Round and round the garden they ran. Cat got dizzy, fell flat on a pan. Chuno laughed, you're funny, my friend. Our game of chase will never end. The cat just purred, let's play once more. And both rolled, giggling on the floor. Chuno the chick was peeping away, jumping and hopping, enjoying the day. Along came a cat with a sneaky grin, tiptoeing softly, quiet as the wind.
Meow, said the cat, I'll play with you.
Chuno just giggled, catch me if you do. Round and round the garden they ran. Cat got dizzy, fell splat on a pan. Chuno laughed, you're funny, my friend. Our game of chase